checking the temperature. It's really hot, yeah? Why is it looking so warm? As usual, I went shopping, and today we're gonna put together my emergency kit for school. I might be one of the last people to do this for this school year, but I am a college student, so I start school later than a lot of you. You know what? It's never too late to get yourself right. First of all, if you haven't seen the videos where I went to Target and Walmart, shop for my back to school emergency kit, make sure to check those videos out after this one. You have to start off with the bag. I got my little emergency kit bag from Target. This was actually in the makeup section, and it was on clearance for $7. I really like the color and the size of it. Very simplistic, minimalistic, but still so cute. This was originally $10, but I got it $3 off. If the lighting is off today, I swear, anytime I want to film an indoor video, it's so gloomy outside and there's no natural lighting. And then the days I'm not doing anything, it's bright outside, the brightest it can be. I don't understand. All right, what do you guys think? Is this big enough? And the inside seems easy to clean. All right, now let's get into the things that are gonna go inside of my emergency kit. First, from Sephora, this is the Topical Slick Solve in Mint. I've never tried anything from Topicals before, but I'm so excited. It is a Black-owned business, so I can't wait. I've heard lots of good reviews about this Slick Solve. Plus, this is a clear lip balm, so in my emergency kit I wanted to include something that was very moisturizing for my lips and natural. Since you guys know me, I usually always have some kind of lip combo going on. Let's toss that in. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff from Target, specifically in the travel section. First up, this EOS hand cream. I always try to bring lotion with me wherever I go because I just cannot have dry and ashy skin, especially at school or in a workplace. That's so embarrassing. I have tried the full-size vanilla cashmere EOS lotion, and I do like how it smells. It smells like vanilla cupcakes, so I thought, why not get it in the mini as well? Give it a try. Plus the packaging is so cutie. This is a 2.5 fluid ounce, should fit perfectly in here. See? We have so much space still. Something else I also bring everywhere with me are tissues. Usually I get the Kleenex tissue packs, but I found these at Target. Candid travel tissue, and these are bamboo, so I guess it's supposed to be more sustainable. It comes with 3 in a pack. I can't wait to see what these are about. Look how clean and aesthetic the packaging is. I just already know my camera's making it look so much more vibrant. It's because I have to use artificial lighting, guys. It's so dark. That's how they look. I'm just gonna put 1 in at a time. Let's go with, I think I'm feeling the green leaves. Let's put these in. So this might not seem like enough for the school year, but thankfully I do have some leftover Kleenex tissue packs from the previous years of school, which are great to restock with. Okay, I literally just dropped everything. So I got this Johnson & Johnson first aid kit, travel size first aid kit. I usually just like having this in my dorm. I don't really want to put this entire thing in my emergency kit though. Maybe I'll just put in 1 band-aid just in case, because you never know. Let's also put in an alcohol cleansing wipe, and then the rest of these I'll just keep in my dorm. Super cute, mini, and effective. This is something else I've never gotten before. These are oil absorbing sheets. There's 100 of these in the pack. I think I'm someone who has combination skin. Sometimes my skin gets so oily randomly, and what I do to get rid of it is I just take a paper towel and I pat my skin. But that doesn't work that well, especially if I have makeup on. It kind of rubs it off. So these are actually to help remove oil and resist smearing makeup. I hope this actually works. This is just the Up and Up brand. Oh, and they're blue too. I didn't know. Wait, I'm curious. I want to just try one and see. I'm not sure if my skin is oily. It probably is right now. Hopefully this actually works. I'm gonna dab it on my forehead. Oh, wait, I see something. I did put on pressed powder before this, but this is still taking off oil from my face. It's more plasticky than I thought it was gonna feel. I thought it was gonna be more like a cloth. Ooh, guys, this is what it looks like after. Look at all of that oil it picked up. And this is even after I did my makeup and put on setting powder. It works very well. If you have oily skin, definitely look into one of these oil blotting sheets. Definitely gonna be using these. Ugh. Plop that in. The only concern I have about that is that the packaging is cardboard, and I feel like having so many other things in this emergency kit could damage the packaging, but we'll see. Hopefully it holds up. So I got this extra gum. This is the 35 pack in sweet watermelon. I usually always get mint, which I will get this year as well, but sometimes mint isn't always appealing and I just want a different flavor. So I got this. I really do like the watermelon extra gum. Wondering if I should put it in my emergency kit or my actual school bag. I think I'll put it in my emergency kit. Then I'll put the regular mint gum in my school bag. Ooh. So cute. It's always good to have something to freshen up anything. Here's a space check. We still have so much space in here left, which is good because I have a few more products. This is actually something I usually don't do. I know you should. I don't know, when you're in college, it's a little bit different. You can go to your dorm in between your classes if you have enough time to freshen up. But sometimes you do have back-to-back classes and it's hard to get enough time to freshen up. So I got this Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor deodorant. I don't know, my secret deodorants usually work. I have high hopes for this. It smells good, kind of like the generic deodorant scent, especially coming in during summer. It's gonna be really hot outside, so definitely bringing this. Drop that in. I wonder if I should order these and how often I use these items. Like the lotion and lip balm should probably be at the top. So I have the tissues here, lotion here, gum, lip balm at the top. All right guys, so I got these Wet Ones hand and face wipes. This is actually not the kind of wipe that I want. I want some bathroom wipes because like I said, it's important to refresh everything. If we're all being honest, sometimes toilet paper is not enough to get you all the way fresh, especially in public places. I just think wipes are the easiest. These are hand and face wipes though, so they'll probably be kept inside of my dorm room. I think what I'm gonna do is get a big pack of flushable wipes and put some in a mini Ziploc bag, put it in my bag, and then refill it anytime I need to. Hair ties, I feel like most girls just bring this in case. You never know, maybe your hair is down and it starts raining, so you gotta tie it up, or you're just not feeling the hairstyle you left with. Having hair ties is a must. And it's super small to fit in your emergency kit. Feminine hygiene products. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned having these Kotex panty liners. So unfortunately, these are not individually wrapped, which is what I'm used to. They're just exposed like this. And I'm not gonna just drop this in my emergency kit. Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some panty liners and put it in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, I think that fits enough. And now I can kind of just squish it in here. Plus an emergency pad for on the go. I think I'm gonna include this in my emergency bag as well because the things that are supposed to be in your emergency kit, I just put it on the side of my back to school bag. But I think it's also kind of nice to have something discreet as well. One last thing that I always tell you guys to put in your school backpack, your school bag, your emergency kit, hand sanitizer. Here is my hand sanitizer. As you can see, it's very beat up. You can tell I use this down. I think I might have another one somewhere, but I usually just have one travel size hand sanitizer, then I buy a big bottle of it and I refill it throughout the year. It's just easier and makes more sense than buying travel size every single time. If you can get something that's refillable, refill it. In my opinion, I think I'd rather just have this in my school bag rather than my emergency kit. My handheld mirror, I was also going to include this, but truly, these can both just go in my bag. Plus, this emergency kit is getting kind of full. So here's the overview. I think we did a pretty good job, and there's still a little bit of space to put in flushable wipes. Now, I just have to put this to the test and see if I can actually grab things. I want a little lip balm that's not tinted. Let's see if I can get some. Okay, that took me a little longer than I would like it to, so we will see what I have to take out of here. Anything that I think is overwhelming this, I'll just put it on the side of my bag. Probably gonna end up being the gum, because this is such a big case. See, without the gum, it's just easier to deal with. Now let's zip. And there we have it. That's what's in my emergency kit for this school year. I actually hope that you guys enjoyed this because I don't usually do sit down videos anymore, but I definitely want to do more of these for you guys. Remember, it's important to get all your essentials, and if they can't all fit in your emergency kit bag, that's okay. This is honestly just extra, or if you want to be more discreet, you can always just throw them in your school bag and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And stay tuned for some school vlogs, and I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.